This is Vizi Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to update change your email on Uber apps. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Uber, American company that provides services related to mobility. The business signature product is an application for smartphone that allows user to request transportation from driver of privately owned vehicles. In addition to connecting passenger with drivers, Uber computer algorithm sets the fares for the trips based on distance and supply and demand. In return, Uber receive a commission from each booking. In my previous video, I've shown you how to create an Uber account. But now, what if you want to update your email? You want to change your email on your Uber account. Maybe for some reason, maybe the email is no longer active. If you not, now you want to update it with the new email address, it's very simple. So first of all, of course, I have to open our Uber apps. After that, you can go to your profile, to your account by tap on account in here. Now you can go to the settings by tap on settings in here. You can tap on your profile. Now you can go to personal info. And in here you can see your name, your phone number, and your email address. Now, because you want to update the email address, you can just tap on email. You can enter the new email that you want to use. After that, you can just tap on update. You can enter the code that Uber sent to your new email. Here's the email. You can enter the email. So now you have update your email address on your Uber account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to update change email on Uber apps. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.